Hi guys, I'm VictorYang. Welcome to 19 Breda Court in Richmond Hill. It is absolute stunning home, nestled in a quiet Cul-De-Sac court overlooking the Richmond Hill golf course. And this is a very high demanding multi-million-dollar homes mansion surrounding area, South Richvale neighborhood. This south exposure sun-filled home full of energy, also offering a very unique multi-level open concept floor plan, finished walkout basement, separate entrance, ideas for multi-family in-law suite and income apartment, professional landscaped premium pie-shaped fenced yard, step to Yonge Street, GO train station, public transportations, Richmond Hill Center, and all amenities. It's a real offered, truly urban garden. If you have any question or trying to schedule a private tour, please contact me at 416-723-0999, or you can email me at victoryangteam@gmail.com. Thank you very much for watching and sharing.